Who knows the difference between a hadith which is Hasan and a hadith which is Sahih? Anyone know the difference between a hadith which is Hasan and a hadith which is Sahih? Yeah, so Hasan, Hadith Sahih, all the narrators are of the top class in terms of hifz, in terms of their ability to bring the hadith, in terms of their religiosity. They are considered the gold standard. A hadith which is Hasan, the scholars, the people who narrate the hadith, they are still good. They still have good memory. They still are of good religion, but they're not of the same level. They're not of the same level in terms of their ability to give the hadith and say the hadith, like those people which are rijal al-sahih, which are like those people which are on the level of sahih. The people of sahih, they have tamam al-dabt. They know the hadith inside out. They can recall the hadith just like that. Okay, their religion, they are considered upright. They are not people who are considered to be weak in their religion. Hasan is the same thing, but they are a little bit lower in terms of their religion, in terms of just their ability to relay the hadith. That's one type of Hasan. That's Hasan li dhati. Hasan li ghayrihi is obviously another type of hadith. We won't get into that. That's when a group of da'if hadith, when there's a group of hadith which are weak, and you have companions and people that are all saying the same thing, it can strengthen themselves as a group and become Hasanun li ghayrihi.